In HTML, headings help to structure the content on the web page. They range from H1 to H6. The H1 is the largest heading and typically used for main titles, while H6 is the smallest, usually reserved for less important titles or subtitles. Let's move ahead with live demonstration in Visual Studio Code to see how headings work. I'll start by creating a new file titled headings.html. Then I'll use emit abbreviation to generate the basic boilerplate code, just like we did in the previous example. As you can see, this gives us the basic structure of the HTML document. I'll update the title to HTML headings example. Since we are focusing on examples of headings, then let's start adding our headings inside the body tag. I'll type each heading from H1 to H6 and explain their importance. Simultaneously, let's view the preview. The H1 tag is the highest or most important tag. Typically, this is used for main title of your web page. It's the biggest and boldest text you'll see on the page. Next, we have H2 tag. This is used for subheadings. It's slightly smaller than H1, but still important for organizing content. Moving down the hierarchy, H3 is used for smaller subheadings. Usually, when you want to further break down sections under an H2 tag, H4 is even smaller and is typically used for minor subheadings within a section. The H5 tag follows, and while it's rarely used, it can be helpful when you need more level of headings. Finally, we have H6 tag, which is the smallest and least important heading. This is generally used for footnotes or minor details that don't require much attention. As you can see, each heading from H1 to H6 is progressively smaller, helping you organize the content on your web page. Remember, H1 should be reserved for the main title, and you can use the others to structure the content accordingly.